Hello there, business rockstars. Are you ready to unlock the full potential of your business? Whether you are leading a team, managing clients, or simply trying to stay organized, AI-powered tools can be your secret weapon. In today's video, we are diving into the best AI tools for business that will elevate your efficiency, save you money, and keep you ahead of the curve. So stick around because the last one on the list is a total game changer. Let's jump in. Number one, project management tools. First up, we've got project management tools. These tools are perfect for keeping your team on track and ensuring no deadlines slip through the cracks. Notion. Notion is an all-in-one workplace that lets you organize tasks, documents, and databases. It's perfect for small businesses looking for customization. Pricing starts at $8 per user per month, but here's a hack. Use their free personal plan for solo projects or small teams of two. Monday.com. Known for its intuitive interface, Monday.com helps you manage workflows visually. Plans start at $8 per seat per month, but the best part, their free trial lets you test premium features before committing. Asana. This is a crowd favorite for task management. The basic plan is free for teams up to 15 people. Pro tip. Stick with the free plan unless you need advanced features like timelines. Number two, CRM softwares. Customer relationship management tools can help you manage leads and sales pipelines effortlessly. Here are my top picks. Zoho CRM. Zoho's AI assistant Zia analyzes your sales data for insights. Pricing starts at $14 per user per month, but you can save big by choosing their annual billing option. Pipedrive, a super easy to use CRM with great automation. Pricing starts at $14.90 per user per month, and their free trial is perfect for exploring its potential. Salesforce, the heavyweight champion in the CRM world. Pricing starts at $25 per user per month for the Essentials plan. Here's a hack. Look for Salesforce small business offers to score discounts. Now, work monitoring tools. Work smarter, not harder by keeping an eye on productivity with these tools. Number one, Toggle Track. Track time with ease and boost team accountability. The free plan is ideal for freelancers and paid plan starts at $9 per user per month. Tip, use the Pomodoro time feature for better focus. Hubstaff, perfect for remote teams with time tracking and productivity monitoring. Plan starts at $7 per user per month and the annual plan saves you 10%. Desk Time tracks time automatically so you get productivity insights without the manual effort. Pricing starts at $7 per user per month. Hack, use their free trial to test before upgrading. Number four, finance management. Finances can make or break a business, but these AI tools make managing your money a breeze. Number one, Bonsai. Designed for freelancers and small businesses, Bonsai handles everything from contracts to expenses. Pricing starts at $17 per month. Bundle plans for invoicing and save even more. Quicken, a classic for financial planning and tracking. Pricing starts at $5.99 per month. Hack, watch for holiday discounts to get up to 40% discount. Number five, invoicing software. Don't waste time creating invoices manually. These tools do it all for you. FreshBooks automates invoicing and tracks expenses seamlessly. Pricing starts at $17 per month, but if you're just starting out, their light plan works wonders. Geekflare Generator, our very own tool for quick and professional invoice generation. The best part, it's free. Perfect for small businesses and startups. Number six, document management tools. Let's talk about organizing files and collaborating on the cloud. Google Drive. It's free up to 15 GB of storage and integrates seamlessly with Google Workspace. Hack, compress files or delete unused data to maximize free storage. Dropbox, a reliable choice for file sharing and backups. Pricing starts at $9.99 per month for 2 TB. Use referral bonuses to earn free storage. Number seven, calendar tools. Finally, let's simplify scheduling with these calendar tools. Appointee, great for appointment scheduling. Pricing starts at $19.99 per month, but their free plan is perfect for solo entrepreneurs. Calendar, an AI-powered scheduling assistant that syncs across platforms. The basic version is free and paid plan starts at $6 per month. Toggle plan. Yes, toggle again. Their calendar feature is included in their pricing. Stick to the free plan if you are on a budget. And there you have it, the best AI tools to streamline your business operation and save you time, money, and headaches. Which tool are you most excited to try? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Geek Flair for more tips, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and I will see you soon.